Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today is going to be a vlogging day, okay? A day in the life vlogging day. So I am actually headed outside, and not too long got home from work, and I'm actually headed outside. Y'all, it is so cold. It is cold outside. And I am going to go and cut down some like tree not limbs, but some of these little leaf stems, because I'm going to be using them at work. My supervisor asked me to decorate the tables for Thanksgiving, because we're doing like a 3-day Thanksgiving feast for the kids and their families. And so I'm going to be decorating the tables, and I need about 22 or 23. So I'm going to be cutting those down and then wrapping them with ribbons and taking them to work tomorrow. So I am super excited, and I can't wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along with me. I'm gonna see if I can bump you guys up on a tripod and go foraging in the yard. So there's a bunch of trees that's out here. It's not really a lot of like maple tree. There's no maple trees at all. I think there might be one in the front, but everything else is just kind of like abrevieties type of trees and whatever, pine trees. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along with me and cut down some of these little branches and see what we can do, and then bring y'all back inside with me so we can make them together. All right, so I hope you guys are having a fantabulous day, and I'm having a really great day, and I am excited to see what it's gonna look like, you guys. So let's go ahead and let's go foraging in the woods. Nylas bus is here. Mikey got on there, so he went to go get her from the bus. Y'all, Nyla be taking forever to get off this bus. I don't know what is... Oh, it's been a while for her. She hasn't been on the bus since 2019, right? After COVID, or during COVID, when they went back to school, I transported her because I didn't want her to be on the bus with a bunch of sick kids and stuff like that. So I started transporting her myself. But y'all, she just started taking the bus again. And I think that she's just not used to it. And so it's taking her a while. Like in the mornings when she gets there, it's taking her like 15 to 20 minutes to get off the bus. And as you know, they have a schedule that they have to keep, right? They have to drop the kids off in the school, and there's other buses behind them. So we're trying to figure out, we got her a harness for the she has a wheelchair, and I got the wheelchair itself, and then the school provided her a harness so that when she gets on the bus, she can get out of the wheelchair. So they're going to put the wheelchair on the lift. Once she gets on the bus, she gets out of the wheelchair and then gets into the regular bus seat. And then she has a harness to lock her in because she likes to get up while the vehicle is moving. And so we got her the harness to lock her into the seat. Now, I think that what they need to do is keep her in her chair once she gets on the bus, but her chair doesn't have those I forgot what they're called. It's like these little links that hooks on to the floorboard of the bus and then to the chair. Her chair doesn't have that. So her teacher sent me a link to get a new chair, and I was going to go and get the new chair. Then she sent me a message stating that no, you don't have to get the chair. We got a strap or something like that for the chair so she can, you know, be on the bus with the chair. So that's what we're kind of trying to work out. But until then, it's hard getting her off the bus. So I just had to go. Mikey normally gets her off the bus, but I just had to go in there and grab her off the bus because there was like a line of cars. Yeah, anyway, let me go ahead and finish foraging and see what else I can find, y'all. These branches are like sparse, so hopefully I can find 23 pieces of branches. I think I have enough, but let's go. Okay, you guys, so we're back inside, and these are the branches that I got. They're not the most fall looking or colorful ones, but they're gonna have to work. So let's go ahead and start cutting them up and tying them up and getting them ready.
Well, I've got news for you, I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Well, I've got news for you, I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Hold on, it's time for it to reappear. Well, all around me I hear children singing the songs that we all know. Well, all around me I hear children singing the songs that we all know.
So guys, I am here in school and I am making the centerpieces. Some of the stuff my supervisor brought, and I'm just making all the centerpieces right now. This is how everything turned out. It's not much, but it looks pretty good. Kind of last minute stuff. Did the best I could with what we have. There goes the little twigs that I got from my tree. So it looks good. I'm very excited about it. Yay! Can't wait to see all the students. Now the real work begins. Here we go.